Dive into fish farming. It's a big pond. Imagine a world where you can cultivate your own fresh, healthy fish right in your backyard or on a sprawling piece of land. The possibilities are endless and the rewards are plentiful. Hey there, future fish farmers. Welcome to the exciting journey of aquaculture, where you can turn your passion for fish into a thriving business or a fulfilling hobby. Ever thought about diving headfirst into the exciting world of aquaculture? It's a booming business, and you don't need to smell like low tide to succeed. With modern technology and innovative techniques, fish farming has become more accessible and cleaner than ever before. We're talking about raising fish for food, fun, or even profit. Whether you're interested in supplying local markets with fresh fish or simply want to enjoy the tranquility of a backyard pond, there's a fish farming method that suits your needs. People everywhere are craving fresh, healthy fish. Demand is through the roof. With concerns about overfishing and the sustainability of wild fish stocks, more consumers are turning to farmed fish as a reliable and eco-friendly alternative. That means there's a huge opportunity for folks like you and me to jump in and make a splash. The market is ripe for new entrants, and with the right knowledge and dedication, you can carve out a niche for yourself in this growing industry. Whether you've got acres of land or just a backyard, there's a fish farming setup for you. From small-scale operations that fit in a corner of your garden to large commercial farms, the scale of your fish farming venture is entirely up to you. Think of it like this: you're not just farming fish, you're farming your own future. By investing in aquaculture, you're investing in a sustainable and profitable future for yourself and your community. And trust me, the future of fish is looking pretty darn bright. With advancements in breeding, nutrition and disease management, the potential for success in fish farming has never been higher. So grab your boots, or maybe some waders, and let's dive in. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, there's always something new to learn in the world of fish farming. It's time to learn the ropes of building a successful and maybe even profitable fish farm. From constructing the perfect tank to setting up the ideal filtration system, we'll cover all the essentials. We'll cover everything from picking the right fish to keeping their water sparkling clean. Water quality is crucial in fish farming, and maintaining the right conditions can make all the difference in the health and growth of your fish. And don't worry, I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. With expert tips and hands-on advice, you'll be well equipped to tackle any challenges that come your way. Let's get those fins flapping. Together, we'll explore the ins and outs of fish farming, from the basics to advanced techniques, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to succeed. Picking your fantastic team, choosing the right fish. All right, rookie fish wranglers, time for our first big decision. What kind of fish are we going to raise? This is huge. Different fish need different environments, food and care. You wouldn't put a shark in a goldfish bowl, right? First, think about your market. Who are you selling to? Restaurants, seafood lovers, pet stores? Once you know your customer, you can pick a fish that'll fly off the virtual shelves. Now, let's talk about some crowd pleasers. Tilapia is a superstar. It grows fast, tastes mild, and is super adaptable. Catfish are another great option. They're hardy, easy to raise, and taste delicious fried up. Feeling adventurous? Trout and salmon are always in demand, though they can be a bit more high maintenance. Remember, research is key here, folks. Figure out which fish species thrives in your climate, what resources you have available, and what your budget can handle. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to choose your fantastic team. Building the perfect fish pad, tank setup, and water wisdom. Setting up a fish tank is more than just filling it with water and adding fish. It's about creating a balanced ecosystem where your aquatic friends can thrive. Now that we've got our fishy friends figured out, it's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of creating their new home. It's time to build them the perfect pad. This involves not just the tank itself, but also the decorations, the substrate, and the equipment that will keep the environment stable. Depending on your space and budget, you can go with tanks, ponds, or even raceways. Each option has its own set of advantages and challenges. Tanks are great for beginners. They're easy to control and come in all shapes and sizes, making them versatile for different types of fish and setups. You can find tanks that fit perfectly in a small apartment, or ones that can be the centerpiece of a large room. The key is to choose one that suits your needs and the needs of your fish. Plus, you can keep them indoors or outdoors. Indoor tanks are easier to control in terms of temperature and light, while outdoor tanks can offer a more natural environment. Ponds are more natural but require more space and maintenance. They can be a beautiful addition to a garden, providing a serene environment for both fish and humans. Raceways are long, narrow channels with flowing water, ideal for raising fish quickly. They are often used in commercial fish farming due to their efficiency. No matter which setup you choose, water quality is king. The health of your fish depends on the quality of the water they live in. Fish are picky about their H2O, and who can blame them? Just like us, they need clean, oxygen-rich water to stay healthy. You need to keep that water clean, oxygenated, and at the right temperature. This means regular maintenance and monitoring. Think of it like Goldilocks. Everything needs to be just right, not too hot, not too cold, not too dirty, not too clean. Invest in a good filtration system to remove waste and toxins. A reliable filter will keep the water clean and reduce the frequency of water changes. Regular water testing is crucial too. This helps you catch any potential problems before they become serious. You'll need to monitor things like pH, ammonia, and nitrite levels. These parameters can affect the health of your fish and the overall balance of the tank. Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it is. With the right tools and a bit of practice, you'll become a water quality pro in no time. There are plenty of resources and tools available to help you out. From books and online articles to apps and forums, you can find all the information you need. Water wisdom is the key to happy, healthy fish. By understanding and maintaining the right conditions, you'll create a thriving environment for your aquatic friends. Fish food frenzy, keeping your swimmers satisfied. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, food. Feeding your fish is not just about keeping them alive, it's about ensuring they thrive and live a healthy, vibrant life. The right diet can make a world of difference in their color, energy levels, and overall well-being. Just like us, fish need a balanced diet to thrive. A well-fed fish is a happy fish, and a happy fish is a joy to watch. The key is to understand their dietary needs and preferences. The type of food you choose will depend on the species of fish you're raising and their stage of life. Different fish have different dietary requirements, and it's crucial to cater to those needs to ensure they grow and develop properly. Baby fish have different nutritional needs than adult fish, kind of like how you wouldn't feed a steak to a newborn. They require food that is easy to digest and rich in nutrients to support their rapid growth and development. There are two main types of fish food, pelleted and live. Each has its own benefits and can be used to create a varied and balanced diet for your fish. Pelleted food is convenient and comes in different formulas for different fish. It's easy to store and can be tailored to meet the specific dietary needs of your fish, whether they are herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Live food, like insects and worms, is more natural and can boost growth rates. It mimics the diet fish would have in the wild and can be a great way to provide them with the nutrients they need. Some fish, like tilapia, are omnivores and will eat just about anything. They're not picky eaters and can thrive on a varied diet that includes both plant and animal matter. Others, like trout, are pickier eaters and prefer a meatier diet. They require a diet rich in protein to support their active lifestyle and growth. The key is to feed your fish the right amount at the right time. Overfeeding can lead to water quality issues, while underfeeding can stunt their growth. It's important to find a balance and stick to a feeding schedule. Overfeeding can lead to water quality issues, while underfeeding can stunt their growth. Excess food can decompose and pollute the water, leading to health problems for your fish. It's all about finding that sweet spot. By observing your fish and adjusting their diet as needed, you can ensure they are getting the right amount of food. Pro tip: observe your fish after feeding. Their behavior can tell you a lot about whether they are getting enough food. If they gobble everything up quickly, they're probably still hungry. You might need to increase the amount of food you are giving them. If food is left floating around, you're probably overfeeding. It's a sign that you need to cut back on the amount of food you're giving them to prevent water quality issues. Mixing different types of food can provide a balanced diet and keep your fish interested in their meals. Variety is the spice of life, even for fish. A well-fed fish is a healthy fish, and a healthy fish is a joy to watch. By taking the time to understand their dietary needs and providing a balanced diet, you can ensure your fish are happy and thriving. Remember, feeding your fish is just one part of keeping them healthy. Regular tank maintenance and water quality checks are also crucial. With the right care and attention, your fish can live a long, healthy and happy life. So keep your swimmers satisfied and enjoy the beauty and tranquility they bring to your home.